this week's feast,
pineapple curry fried rice from Food Wars.
Today we have a very special episode for you guys.
We asked you to vote on Patreon and Instagram for what recipe we should reveal from the cookbook, and the winner was the pineapple curry fried rice from Food Wars.
Of course it was. We all know how much you guys love Food Wars, so we put together a recipe card for you guys to download.
And we'll be doing a live stream cook-along on Thursday, July 9th, right here on YouTube at 7 p.m. PST.
That's right. We hope you guys can join us. It's going to be so much fun.
Until then, let's get cooking. Grab a delicious, juicy pineapple and cut off the stem. Slice the pineapple in half vertically. No need for showy knife skills yet. Cut around the inside of the pineapple and then slice it into easily removable chunks. Once the pineapple is gutted, we have two stunning pineapple bowls. Sprinkle the sea salt evenly inside both bowls and set aside. Now it's time to dice the pineapple flesh. Please be careful with your knife here. The pineapple is very soft and you're going to cut quickly through it, so don't hurry yourself. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the ground pork and cook until it's brown. Add the pineapple, onion, and carrots. Stir fry until the carrots are nice and tender. Add your oyster sauce. Stir in the cooked rice, breaking up any clumps, and mix until well combined. Now sprinkle the curry powder over, soy sauce, and pepper, and continue to cook until the curry is fragrant and the rice is shiny. In a small skillet, add coconut oil and scramble the eggs until they are 3/4 of the way cooked. Add the eggs to the fried rice, along with the peas and scallions. Now that all of the ingredients have combined and mingled, each bringing its own unique taste and texture, it's time for the final pineapple flavor infusion. Transfer the fried rice into the pineapple shells, pack it in, and bake on a baking sheet for 20 minutes. Fill up a large oval-shaped bowl with the fried rice, and if you're a rebel like me, you can just quick flip it over, or if you're more like Ashley, you can follow our cookbook instructions and place the serving dish on top of the bowl and then flip that over. Add the pineapple stem to complete the look. And voila! Pineapple fried rice from Shokugeki no Soma. This is one of our favorite recipes and pictures from the cookbook, so make sure you check that out. You can buy the cookbook right now. It's an amazing gift for yourself or a friend or a family at feastoffiction.com. And when you're doing that, you're actually supporting our show and making sure that we can keep making these episodes every single month for you all and taking your requests. All right, it's time to eat.
Who's that patron? It's Adam!
Adam!
Ooh, the presentation.
Ooh, it looks so good.
Thank you. I gotta flare it out.
How proud are you
So proud.
of your handiwork?
My hair? Oh, my handiwork. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it's that too, of course. Well,
Yes.
There's only one thing left to do, Ashley, and that is
Bada
dig in.
bing,
As much as I hate to ruin
bada
the
boom.
presentation. That's a 3 mms for the longtime listeners and viewers of the channel, which means it is a seal of approval from Miss Ashley Adams.
And there was even a ding 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 at the top.
This is really good. I love sweet and salty. The pineapple being cooked in the pineapple after you take it out of the pineapple.
Boom! I know, it's delicious. It's so good.
Well,
I love every time we get to make this.
this is one of those recipes that we have in the Feast of Fiction cookbook, which you should all check out because we tested it multiple times. Ashley made sure that these recipes were pitch perfect, and this one is truly delicious.
It really is.
I love fried rice. There's so many ways to make it.
That's his number one favorite food. In case you guys didn't know, it definitely is his number one favorite food. It's the meal he is the best at making in general life. So,
Why do you say it so disparagingly, huh?
No, not disparagingly. I'm giving you guys the facts, okay?
Okay.
This man can make a mean fried rice. So, to get his approval on this fried rice means we're doing something right on this channel.
Darn tootin'. And this one is great because it doesn't use as much like soy sauce or oyster sauce. It has more of a curried flavor to it. And the pineapple adds such a nice little kick at the end.
Yeah.
Curry is present in all of the Asian cultures pretty much, and so why not add it to this fried rice as well? It gives it the color, it gives it the kick, and the sweetness, it pairs along so well with the rest.
There it is. That's why we did it. That's a good
why.
reason to
That's
do
why.
it. Make sure you guys pick up a copy of the Feast of Fiction Kitchen located at any book retailer near you online. IndieBound, Barnes & Noble, Amazon.com, Target.com, Walmart.com, any of the .coms that sell books. Hopefully you will see this guy there. Pick one up for yourself and flip through and see how many amazing recipes from all your favorite fictional properties right here in this book.
Yep, you're not gonna regret it. Or you can just go to feastoffiction.com. We list a bunch of the retailers on there. And you know what? If you want to support your local bookstore as well, do a curbside pickup. This is a perfect gift, especially when you're gonna be stuck at home making a lot of recipes.
Yep.
Why not inspire yourself with some from your favorite animes, TV shows, movies, games, and more.
That's right. And be sure to let us know if you guys end up making the pineapple pork fried rice
Yes.
from Food Wars and the Feast of Fiction Kitchen. As always, let us know in the comments below what you want to see us make next.
And we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm gonna keep eating. So good.